Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to make earrings today. I decided that we're going to just design on the fly. And I've got 20 gauge wire here. 2 pieces of everything. 1.5, 2, and 3. These are in inches. The 2-inch ones will be for our ear wires, so we'll set those aside. And I've got 2 little silver seed beads. Yes, 2mm seed beads. These are 8mm flat coin glass beads. And the 1.5 inches will be for the dangle. This will be for the body. And I think for my ear wires, I want a couple of the 4mm beads. So I'll set those right there. I've marked my 1.5 inch pieces at 1/2 inch. And I hammered it right below the mark. So we're going to see if we can do that again here. See if I can get lucky. And we'll try to make it match. Now if you don't have one of these, and to be honest with you, it probably would be easier if you had something slim and flat and you could just strike that on there, but I don't feel like going out to the garage and looking for a screwdriver. So I'm just going to take this hammer. I got it at a flea market. I don't know what it is. Probably some kind of tack hammer. I don't know. Don't quote me. So I'm going to just tap just below that line. And see how it got a bend in there? So now I'm going to flip it over. See if that worked. Yes, it worked. But it's not real pretty. So we're just going to file it really quick. All right, let's put the seed beads on. And our coin bead. Got a little bend in my wire here, so I got to try to flatten that out so I can get that bead on. There we go. There's one for a cute little dangle. Okay, now you want to just check these and make sure that they're even, and if they're not, just trim it off, and then we'll file those edges later. We're going to go back. We want this to be flat facing outward, so we're going to push that forward. Get our round nose pliers. Push that down. Get that flat forward. Push that forward. Push that back. Right there. You don't want to snip off too much. You can always snip off more. Okay, that's about as close as I'm going to get it. I open it. And I'm going to hang it right there. Isn't that cute? Ah! That's exactly what I had in my mind. That's a first. You guys ever struggle with designing jewelry? All right, now let's do the ear wires. I'm going to leave these overhanging by about 1 millimeter. I lost my bead. There you go. What do you think? Like that. Let's measure it and see how long it is. From the ear hole, it would be 2 3/4 inches. That's pretty. I like it. I like them. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you stopping in and watching my videos. If this is your first time visiting, please consider subscribing. And thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything and it's free? That's a little bit of a redundant. That's a bit of redundancy. Like, subscribe, and share with your crafting friends. And we will see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.